you sure? Look, I'm your present. Merry Christmas!
I want to open it.
Okay.
I'm not opening it. God, I'm not opening
You got it.
Skateboards.
Let me see. Can I see?
And more toys.
More toys. Let me see the skateboards. Wow!
Blue arrow. Fly.
That's a lot of skateboards.
Yeah. Blue, yellow.
Blue, yellow, and
Orange.
orange. You like skateboards?
I want this open too.
Who got those for you?
Santa.
Mommy and Daddy.
No, Santa.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Santa bought those for dinner.
He brought those for dinner. What
That's
for
not
dinner? He brought candy for dinner? What?
He's trying to race candy.
Daddy can't open all the presents, all the toys. We'll have pieces
Oh.
Is that the winner? Are you gonna eat the winner?
Open.
Don't open them. Here, River, don't open them.
We don't need to race our candy.
Okay. What is... Ooh, here's one to River from Santa. Look, all the ones from Santa have Santa on the paper. All the other ones are from Mommy and Daddy.
No.
What you eating? Oh, thanks.
You want another present?
Mmm. Ooh, another present? What is it? Tape.
Here, can I help you? Here, look. What's right here?
R-I-V-E-R.
What is this?
Lego Go and the this is not. Come on.
How do you know you want to go, Diego? Go, Diego, go, and Dora.
Because I do Lego Go and Toy Story and Dora.
You like all those?
Uh-huh.
Did you tell Santa you like those?
How did he know?
Come on, this puzzle open.
We're going to open them all later, River.